What are we doing today?
Well, I already did a video on that. You're doing the engine bay. You're gonna give me I'm gonna have an aneurysm looking at. But look, we have the paint for it.
Yeah. Nice black shaft.
Anyway.
But yeah, we're.
As you can see, Scotty's not here, so we have no adult supervision.
So yeah, we're pulling everything out, this air horn setup and the battery tray and all his wiring and master cylinder and everything. And then after that, I'm gonna pressure wash and get this thing clean so we can start painting it. Just pull literally everything out. And yeah. There's a lot of wiring in here. Yeah, I would definitely do that. It's all frame.